Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Ranch Simulator game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And after you log in, you will be taken into the store page. From this page, you can click on the search box. And now just type in Ranch Simulator to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it. And this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred bundle or edition. You can then click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. Now you have the option to use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment method from the drop-down menu. After selecting it, just enter your credentials and then your billing information. And once you complete the transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation in just a few clicks. And once it is done, you may start enjoying the Ranch Simulator game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Ranch Simulator game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.